You're going to need 3 260s fully inflated, and then just let out a little bit of air. And you want to make sure that your balloons are the same length or as close as possible. And if they're not, just give a little stretch to try and get them to be the same length. Okay. And I've also tied a soft knot, which means that I haven't pulled that knot really tightly, and if I just pull on the knot I'll be able to roll it and give myself a little extra length in the balloon. Now we want to fold our balloons in half and find the centre point, and then just twist at that point and do a little bit of plaiting just to make sure they don't come undone. Okay, so this is what you've got. Then we want to twist off a bubble that is about a foot in length, about 12 inches. And then make a pinch twist of a couple of fingers. And then move on to the next balloon and make a bubble that matches this one. And we're going to be repeating this all the way around the balloons. And take your next balloon and make sure that you're always measuring against your original bubble. That way, if there's any slight discrepancy, we're not going to be compounding that by measuring against the wrong bubble and just compounding that discrepancy. So just carry on working your way around until you put pinch twists into all of those balloons. So this is what you've got. Then you want to twist off a bubble that is about 6 inches or so, and wrap this into one of those pinch twists. And then you want to twist off a 6-inch bubble here, and wrap that into the next pinch twist along. And then we want to twist off another 6-inch bubble and wrap that into the next pinch twist along. And the next one, another 6-inch bubble, and just work your way round. If you've got some extra bit of balloon like I have, just cut off the end and let that down, tie off and turn that into a pinch twist just to tidy up the design. And I tend to have my pinch twist just one on the side and one kind of underneath. And I'm going to do the same with this nozzle end here. So I've just pulled on that soft knot and I'm just tidying that up. So this is what you've got at the moment. Next I'm using a silver chrome 260, which is fully inflated, and again I've got a soft knot. So at the tip end you want to twist off a bubble that's perhaps about 5 fingers or so, and then wrap that into the apex of the umbrella. And then at a point that is level with the rim of the umbrella, you just want to pinch off a bubble and then make 2 to 3 finger pinch twists. Okay, so this is what you've got at the moment. Next, take your silver 160, and I've just got a one finger tail, and take the nozzle and just wrap that into the pinch twist. And I tend to wrap it into one of the outer pinch twists. And with your chrome balloon coming out of the centre, just measure across to the middle and then twist off a bubble. And then you want to make another bubble that matches that one. Twist off one there. And then wrap that first bubble into the centre. And take that second bubble out to the opposite set of pinch twists and just wrap that in. And then you can break that off and wrap in the end. Save this bit, and you should have enough left of that 160 to create another set of spokes. I'm going to do the same process. Measure across to the middle and then just wrap that round and then back out to the opposite set of pinch twists and bubbles. And trim off this. Okay, and that's what we've got at the moment. So next, take a yellow 160 and make 2 bubbles of about 3 fingers. And then bring those 2 together, wrap them together and pinch twist. And then I'm going to make another 3 finger bubble and I'm going to pinch twist that. Break off the rest and tie. And save this bit, and then take your 3 pinch twists and just put them beneath the point of the silver chrome. So you can put a curve in the end of your umbrella and leave it at that, or there are a few other things that we can do. So take a white 260 with a good long tail, give it a squeeze, and I'm going to make 3 finger loop twists. And then just break that up and tie. Save the rest for the next one. And make 5 more of these. And we're just going to take your little flower and we're going to wrap it around each of these little bubbles here. So just pick one, pick whichever is the nicest or the softest or the roundest, whichever you like the look of the most, and just wrap that flower around. So we could leave it at that, or we could do a little bit more. So take your 160 and just wrap the nozzle into the flower, and then we're just going to gently wrap that 160 around the pink. To the top, just wrap that in, the top, come down the opposite side, and again just soft spiral, and wrap that into the flower. Wrap it around a couple of times and then break off. So there you have your completed umbrella.